Check out this 2018 Chevrolet Colorado. There is AM/FM radio along with XM Ready radio as well as a CD player. Some great features you won't want to miss are the backup camera, OnStar access, and heated and power front seats. There's also running boards for maximum comfort when climbing aboard. This Colorado has passed our 172-point inspection and is ready to hit the road. Once you buy it, we will cover it with our free lifetime mechanical warranty, good for as many years and as many miles as you own it. Take it on a free 48-hour test drive today.